Imagine this: relaxing on a sunny beach, exploring a vibrant city, or hiking through breathtaking mountains. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, what if I told you that dream vacation could turn into a nightmare if you don't budget properly? Going into debt for travel can ruin the fun faster than you can say credit card bill. Stick around, because today I'll show you exactly how to budget for your vacation without landing in debt. Welcome to Turbo Finance, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Alright, let's dive right in. Budgeting for a vacation isn't about restrictions or killing the excitement. Quite the opposite. It's about enjoying your trip fully, without financial stress hanging over your head. Let's start at the beginning. First things first, set a clear vacation goal. Where are you going? Paris, Tokyo, Hawaii, or maybe a road trip across your own country? How long will your trip be, and what experiences do you want to have? Write it down clearly, because your goal defines your budget. For example, I want to spend one amazing week in Greece next summer, visiting Athens, Santorini, and eating tons of great food. Specific goals make budgeting straightforward and achievable. Step 2, research your costs. And guys, be thorough. Break down your trip into categories like transportation, accommodations, food, activities, souvenirs, and even emergency funds. Let's quickly look at an example. Flights, $800. Hotel, $700. Meals, $350. Activities, $250. Shopping and souvenirs, $150. Emergency funds, miscellaneous, $200. Total, $2,450. Now you have a solid estimate. This clarity will save you from surprise expenses that could force you into debt. Step 3. Determine your savings goal. Now, knowing your total cost, figure out your monthly savings goal. If your vacation costs $2,450 and you plan to travel in 10 months, simply divide it by 10. That's $245 each month. Straightforward, right? Step 4. Open a dedicated savings account. Why separate? Because mixing your vacation savings with regular expenses can lead to confusion and overspending. Set up automated transfers each month into this vacation fund. Trust me, automation is your best friend here. And quick tip, choose a high-yield savings account to earn interest as you save. Step 5, adjust your monthly budget. Now comes the interesting part, finding extra money to save. This isn't as painful as it sounds. I promise, look closely at your current budget. If you're following something like the 50-30-20 rule, 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes into savings. See where you can squeeze some extra cash. Perhaps eating out less, pausing subscriptions, or cutting down on impulse buys. Little adjustments can add up fast. Be sure to watch our video on budgeting methods, where we explain various budgeting methods in detail. Imagine coming back from an incredible vacation, only to find a pile of credit card debt waiting at home. That's a reality for millions of people, but not you. Keep watching, because I'm going to share critical tips to avoid common vacation budgeting mistakes. Step 6. Track your progress and stay motivated. Alright, back to our budgeting journey. Track your progress. Regular check-ins ensure you stay on target. Plus, seeing your savings grow is incredibly motivating. Put visuals of your destination around your house or phone. Keep that excitement high. Step 7. Find more ways to save. Let's amplify your savings even further. Look for discounts and deals using comparison websites. Travel during off-peak times for cheaper rates, and if you handle credit responsibly, use rewards credit cards strategically for flights and hotels. Just ensure you pay balances fully every month. Step 8. Budgeting mistakes to avoid. Here's what you need to watch out for. First, don't underestimate your budget. Always add a cushion for unexpected expenses. Second, avoid relying heavily on credit cards unless you have a clear repayment plan. Third, don't overlook travel insurance. It protects you financially if things go wrong. To make budgeting effortless, leverage technology. Automate your savings, track your goals, and help you stay on track effortlessly. Make budgeting fun. Still skeptical? Let me share a quick success story. Maria, one of our viewers, planned her dream vacation to Italy using exactly these steps. She saved consistently, cut down dining out, used budgeting apps, and guess what? She enjoyed her trip fully without any debt, even came back with leftover savings. If Maria can do it, so can you. Finally, let's talk about what happens after your vacation. The goal is to come home feeling refreshed, not overwhelmed by financial stress. If you stayed under budget, congratulations. You can roll any leftover funds into savings for your next trip. If you overspent, take notes of what went wrong and learn from the experience. Did you underestimate costs? Did you give in to too many impulse purchases? Reflecting on these questions will help you plan even better for future vacations. What are your favorite vacation budgeting tips? Let me know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about smart travel. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels.